Hey DIYers! Today we're tackling one of the most common household problems, a dripping tap. Believe it or not, a single dripping tap can waste up to 1 liter of water every hour. That's about 24 liters a day just going down the drain. But don't worry, fixing it is quick, simple, and totally doable at home. Step 1. Confirm the problem. If your tap keeps dripping no matter how tightly you turn it off, chances are the tap washer has worn out. That's what we're going to replace today. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. Before you start, always turn off your main water supply. Once the water's off, open the tap fully to drain any remaining water in the pipe. This will prevent a mess later on. Step 3. Remove the tap headgear. Next, let's take off the tap head. Use a spanner to unscrew the nut anti-clockwise while holding the tap body steady. Once it's loose, remove the headgear completely. Step 4. Replace the washer. Now you'll see a small rubber washer at the end of the spindle, also called the tap jumper. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently lift the old washer off. Grab your new washer and press it firmly onto the spindle. Make sure it's seated nice and snug. Step 5. Reassemble the tap. Time to put everything back together. Screw the headgear back into the tap body and tighten the nut securely. Don't over-tighten, snug is enough. Step 6. Test it out. Now for the best part, testing. Turn the tap off, then switch your water supply back on. And just like that, no more dripping. You've successfully fixed your leaking tap and saved yourself water, money, and frustration. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more easy DIY home fixes, and let me know in the comments what project you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing!